Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add a font in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section, this device, via Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, and so on. Here in the center of your screen, you're gonna find New Project, Open from Computer, Templates, and lastly, Install Photopea if you want to install the application. So right now, I'm gonna click on New Project. Then once you do that, you're gonna be right here in this window. So right here, as you can see, guys, you can choose a name for the project. Right here, you can choose the width, the height, DPI, and also the background color. And right here, you can choose the size of the picture. So right here, you're gonna find a lot of sections: social, print, photo, screen, mobile, and so on. So I'm gonna click on screen. Then I'm gonna choose this one, for example, and then I'm gonna click on create. So once you create it, you're gonna be right here in this page. So once you're here, as you can see guys, here in the left, you're gonna find all of the tools that you will need. So right here, you're gonna find the typing tool. If you click on it, right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to type. So right now you can type whatever you want. For example, I'm gonna type tutorial. And then once you do that, right here, as you can see guys, in the top left, you're gonna find all of the available fonts. So you can just select, for example, this one, and then choose any font that you want, and then the font will be changed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.